Hello everyone and welcome back to jluisvlogs, and ngayong video na to tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng 3D stars made of papers or 3D origami stars. This is very easy to make and konti lang yung kailangan mong mga gamit. So let's go to our materials. First, we need construction papers. Yes guys, construction papers, not art paper. Cartolina may do. Basta medyo matigas na paper. We need scissors. At optional po yung paggamit ng rulers kasi tuturuan ko naman kayo ng folding styles. First step, let's choose our color. Pwedeng iba't ibang color, pwede din iisang color lang. Depende sa inyo. And make sure na hard paper siya guys ha. Hindi yung art paper na malambot. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this into half. Just like that. Pero kung gusto yung gumamit ng ruler, you can also use it. Pero I'm using the folding style para proportion yung pag fold ko and yung mga lines na gagawin natin. So basically we are making a strip lines, mga manipis na strip lines. So I fold it into half and into half, into half and into half until I get the small portion or yung small strips ng aking paper. Tulad nito. Ayan. So as you can see, I get the smallest strip lines na makakuha ko dito sa paper. Then I will just fold it again. Ayan. Hanggang ma-fold ko dun sa kalahati ng paper. And that should be the result guys. Now we're gonna cut it with our scissors. Just be careful in using scissors para hindi tayo masugatan. Yan. Sundan nyo lang guys yung mga linya-linya or yung guide or yung fold, mga pinold mo. Sundan nyo lang yan. Then cut the strip lines, or you can say it a rectangle din, pero mahabang rectangle. Ayan. So this is just a very easy and perfect way to make this pandemic, and also kung may pagbibigyan kayo mga ano ba, mga souvenirs or giveaway. So now we will make the first step to make the star. So una, mag-loop tayo ng ganyan. As you can see, I will demonstrate it again. Just loop it, then kunin nyo yung sa dulo ng paper, and you will have a pentagon like na shape. Ayan. Tapos tutupin natin yung sobra, then again you will have a pentagon like. Ayan. Tapos we just wrap around yung papers. Just follow the kumbaga yung lines, yan, yung edges niya. Then at the bottom, insert it dun sa space. Ayan. I-insert nyo lang siya dun sa parang space niya. Then, para ma-lock siya. Ayan. And you should have this design. Then, we're gonna pinch it between the points. Ayan. Ganyan. Para gawa na tayo na 3D star origami. Now, I will demonstrate it again. So first, we're gonna loop the papers, then take the end of the paper and just like making a knot, then fold it to form a pentagon, then wrap around the papers. Just like that. Then insert it to the space provided or to the lock, kumbaga, yung paglalakan natin ng paper natin. There you go. Just pinch it carefully to the edges so that you will get a perfect star. And the fun thing to do also in this is to make a notes or message inside the star. So ayan, maglalagay ako ng message, be positive. Tapos, again, the procedure, we will make a loop again, then make it like a pentagon shape, then wrap it all around. Now, pag ganyan na sobra, you can cut it with the scissors kasi hindi na siya abot eh. So, kakat natin yung yung sobrang paper para ma-lock natin siya or may insert natin siya dun sa space. Ayan. So, ayan. It's very easy. Then, rinse it again. And you have a 3D star with message, diba? Very easy lang, and pwede yun ibigay sa mga pang giveaways, pang design. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I hope you like it. For more videos like this, just subscribe to my channel and I will post another some awesome and tipid lang na mga artworks. Bye!